Hello friends, let's see how to create a dataset without having a dataset. Suppose I just want to create some dates and I'm gonna use random between. I'm gonna say like 01 01 2025 and top would be 12 2025 wrapped around with columns, and I'm just gonna close this and see. And I'm gonna press this Control 1 is a shortcut key to format cells, custom, and I'm gonna press date, month, and year. That's how you create it. Those are 15 random numbers, random dates, I mean. And as long as you keep on expanding, the number will keep on coming randomly. So that's how you can create a data set without having a data set.